Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy DEFI again. I would like to welcome you to my channel, and you guys are doing an incredible job of liking on my videos, commenting on my videos, and also subscribing to my channel. So this is day number 3 in DeFi staking platform. For those of you guys who know T2X, T2X has got a competitor, and it is DSP or DeFi's staking platform. So this is the number 3. If we are to go to the option lobby here, now you see that it's also indicated here. So day 1 opened, we bought some tokens and no one was staking. So on day number 2, we took stakes from the tokens which we bought on day number 1, and I also bought some tokens which I'm going to stack today. So I bought tokens worth 4,500, and so collect them, accept. So they should appear here, the staking. They're here now. So I'm going to stake all of them. 9, yes, 9, 3, 4. Number of days, I'm staking for 10 days. So I stake for 10 days. Confirm in my wallet. It has come here. So it is waiting. So the next day, tomorrow, on day number 4, it will start counting as this one has started, and we shall see its progress. So if I'm to go back to the action lobby, I'm going to buy some here again worth 5,000 Tron in the auction. Confirm in my wallet. Done. So I've got 10,000. So 10,000 already. So you guys who are not yet here, you can come. My link is here. Use my link, you get 5% discount on the tokens that you buy. So I'm leaving my link in the description. Join and you get discount, and also stack your tokens so that you can get small dividends in Tron. So that's all I had for this video. See you in another video.